Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, August the 1st, 2012, and here is today's midday market update. I'm going to first start by taking a look at the ES real quick so we can see where we're at in perspective to today's price action so far. You can see we're still holding above that key level, that 1370 level that I highlighted in last night's video. Nice little tight flag pattern that's shaping up right here off of the 3-day surge that we had that started last week Wednesday. As long as we hold that 1370 bid, you have to be a little bit more neutral to bullish on these markets and not try to fade the markets up here yet until they show you some type of weakness. Okay, we do have the FOMC meeting coming out at 2:15 today, which is an hour away. If we take a look at the 5-minute chart, though, to just recap what has taken place so far today. All right, one thing that I was getting the traders prepared for in the chat room, in our chat room over here at wallstreettrading.com, was the fact that we were in a nice little upward channel going into the open. All right, this is beneficial for us because then we could maneuver our positions a little bit more cautiously and expect some type of selling pressure in the morning, which happened right off the open. Notice how this high right here was not able to come up here and touch the top of the trend line from the channel. That shows you a little bit of weakness right there. We break the nice little trend line, channel bottom support, breakdown, back test, holds, sell off, and now we're just trying to chop around here really. But this is our bread and butter play. This is what we look for going to the open or intraday. We look for those nice little channels, which I'm very familiar with if you guys have looked at some of my stuff, some of my work. So in any case here, we're in a range right now, I would say between 1374 on the ES and 1381. Just watch this range. We're in the upper to mid range right now, and we have FOMC coming out at 2:15. Okay, some stocks that have been in play today. All right, Coach continues to be in play. Take a look at the daily chart. All right, this was a nice little trade that I called out in the chat room. All right, for the fact that Coach was in a nice little tight pattern. Let me bring up my other chart here real quick. Remember, this is just a little quick midday recap to let you guys know what stocks are moving and shaking, baby. Coach, all right, had a nice little tight flag here. All right, you can see a little bit cleaner on the 2-minute chart. All right, nice tight little flag here, nice little upward move. Was consolidating right above the open, but then right here when the stock tried to push up, I told my guys to watch out for a fake bull trap. You want to see that confirmation close above. We had one confirmation close, but we didn't have another close. No, we didn't have a nice little 2-bar close. And ever since then, you had some nice people. You had some traders get trapped on the fake little breakout. And once we broke the bottom of the range, it was over. Once they started feeling that pain, they just started dumping, as a lot of people realized that this was a fake breakout, which we were pretty much set up for. And then, the stock's just been going down, based right here against this 50 level, and then just rolled over. So that stock was in play. I wouldn't try to short it now as it's against previous day's lows, which is this green line down here. Another trade that we called out in the chat room was this WFC. WFC. Somebody woke up this morning wanting to buy a boatload of shares of WFC. Only news I found in the stock from this morning was the fact that they hired. Let me see here. I have to on my other screen here. See, Wells Fargo brings on Bori to join Wells Fargo Securities as a head of credit strategy. Who gives a crap? Not sure if that's the reason why it went up, but somebody bought it, and we called it for a short right here at 34.80. Had the same nice pattern as Coach, by the way, guys. Take a look at that. Nice little flag pattern, failed breakout. We got short around this 34.70 area. We didn't catch the whole move down here, but we got a nice little 20-cent scalp on that. Not much, but hey, we take what we can get in this market environment. Next trade we were watching was IDCC. All right, IDCC had some news out regarding the lawsuit with Nokia. It came in favor of IDCC. Stock made a tremendous move to the top side from 28 all the way to 33.50. If we take a look at the daily chart, okay, this stock, all it did was run into its 200-day moving average here. I can show you guys real quick. IDCC. All right, put my studies back here on the chart for you guys here. Keep an eye on the stock going into today's session. As long as it holds above this 29.65 level right here. We'll see if this stock wants to come down a bit more, and then in the afternoon it could get a nice bounce. Just watch that 29.65 level. But you guys can see here, it rallied all the way up to its 200-day exponential moving average right here at 34.54 and provided a great short opportunity. As come on, where's the stock going to go, to the moon? No. So what do? You short it. So those are a couple stocks we have on watch. Crude oil inventories came out. Those came out pretty positive, or bullish for crude. Crude popped, did a nice little spike up, and as you guys can see, crude is holding this 87.75 bid, which I've been highlighting and talking about. So let's see what's going to happen today. Like I said, Fed's coming out. If I take a look at the dollar is up slightly, still holding that key trend line from this little from the breakout and the back test right here. We take a look at the euro. All right, take a look at the euro real quick here. Euro's doing pretty much nothing. And of course, let me not forget about Apple, because I called this one out yesterday, highlighting the fact that this stock has been on a tear, and if it gaps up towards that 520 range, you want to get short the stock, and that's exactly what happened. We had a nice little open up today towards around the 615 level, towards this upper range right here. Not even 620, but just towards this upper range, towards this little triple top area. And for the past 3 days, the stock has been gapping up over $3 pre-market. So today's gap up provided a great opportunity to short the stock. If you take a look at the 15-minute chart and put the pre-market information on here, all right, you got your little nice reversal signal right here, which I highlighted in my chat room. So a lot of guys made some money on that stock as well. Well, for those that were paying attention. So in any case, so far a good morning. Like I said, a lot of action, and just reading the tape on Coach. Let me not forget about Garmin, GRMN. Call this one against the key 41 level. We had the above 41 bullish, below 41 bearish strategy going on it. And you can see here on the 2-minute chart, intraday, 1-day, 2-minute chart. I know I'm moving kind of fast, so please bear with me. This is our first market midday update, which we're going to be bringing this to you guys live every day. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Right here, once this stock started holding below 41, that was a short opportunity right here. Right, we highlighted the 41 level. If you were fast enough, which you gotta have your hotkeys set up, this was a trade through 41, but the bidders came and bid it right back up. But then once you had the nice little tight range right here, and we started holding below it, those consecutive closes, which we wanted to see on Coach, obviously bit to the upside. You see how this has 2 confirmation closes below that key 41 level, and then the volume starts picking up. Which I don't have the volume on the chart, but the volume starts picking up. That's just short right there. Either way, the key level that we were watching was 41. Above 41, we were bullish. Below 41, bearish. Bears took control. We got short. Hope you guys had a great morning so far. 2:15 is going to be the fireworks. Catch you guys in the trading room. If you want access to the trading room, go to wallstreettrading.com. Fill out the form on the right-hand side. If you need help with that, email me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com. And you can also go to mywallstreettv.com and enter the password SMART to get access. But make sure you go to the website and fill out the form. Have a great day, guys. Be back later on today with the ending day market wrap-up video. Cheers.